Well, it's day 2 of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Dhaka visit. Modi's plan will begin, in fact, his day rather will begin with a visit to the Dhakeshwari temple, from where he will head to the Ramakrishna mission. He will then meet the President of Bangladesh, Mohammad Abdul Hamid. This meeting will be followed by another one with Bangladesh's opposition and left leaders. Modi will also meet former Bangladesh PM, Begum Khalida Zia. But so far, the highlight of Modi's visit has been the historic land boundary agreement with Bangladesh after 41 years. The boundary pact will only demarcate the international border clearly, but it will also allow 52,000 people living in border enclaves to choose their nationality after decades of ambiguity. Both countries signed several economic deals, with India also extending a $2 billion line of credit to Bangladesh. Both countries also flagged off the Kolkata-Dhaka, Agartala and Dhaka-Shillong-Guwahati bus services yesterday.
ये बहुत 800 साल पुराना मंदिर है। ये राजा बल्लाल सेन ने बनाया गई। तो ये ढाकेश्वरी माता का मूर्ति है। ये ढाकेश्वरी मंदिर में हर वर्ल्ड से आदमी आते हैं, घूम के आते हैं। बांग्लादेश में कोई आएगा तो फिर एक बार ढाकेश्वरी मंदिर के जरूर आ जाएगा वो लोग।
Call it a part of the diplomatic approach of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be taking the spiritual route now. He will be visiting Dhakeshwari temple located in Dhaka. I'm here at the Dhakeshwari temple where he will be visiting today, praying and also offering his prayers here. There are enough arrangements made for any kind of puja or archana that he wants to do. He will be also given some charnamrit that has been kept. That's the water of the goddess. Besides that, there are adequate preparations that have been made. The temple has been decorated especially for him. Now here it's a reincarnation of goddess Durga, and that's the reason why he has been known to be an ardent follower of goddess Durga. Remember, he also ensures that he fasts for all the 9 days during Navratras. But this, of course, is the first time that an Indian Prime Minister is visiting Dhakeshwari temple. This itself is of humongous importance, given the fact that it is not only the diplomatic approach but also the spiritual approach. During the day he has various engagements. He will be going to Ramakrishna Math, and after that a lot of diplomatic channels and as well as business communities that he will be meeting. But what is more important is that finally a spiritual approach has been taken by the Prime Minister of India. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Dhaka for India Today.
Manogya Loiwal there, capturing the mood at the Dhakeshwari temple this morning. She's now joining us with more details live from Dhaka. Manogya, very clearly now, if we talk politics, India is more at ease with Sheikh Hasina rather than Khalida Zia. Now, when the Prime Minister meets the former PM and opposition leader, what will the talk centre around?
Well, remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is known to be talking to all fronts and all ways. Now, this time he is ensured that not only by getting Mamata Banerjee, who had been one of the biggest vocal opposition in his entourage, he's doing the same diplomacy in Bangladesh too. This time he will be speaking to BNP leader Khalida Zia. Remember, Khalida Zia had been one person who has always not been in very good terms with India. Whenever there is a government of Khalida Zia in Bangladesh, there have been differences of opinion between the two countries. But as far as Sheikh Hasina is concerned, it hasn't been, because it is considered to be a pro-India government.
Yes.
Now, this is at a time when Narendra Modi is making all-out efforts to ensure that all the parties in Bangladesh are on the same board for a development of South Asian region, which he has been focusing and promising and assuring. Both the leaders yesterday also were very optimistic, and today also during the day you expect them meeting, and Narendra Modi addressing a lot of gatherings today, especially the business community in the evening, and of course taking the spiritual route too.
Manogya, you've got us a sneak peek into the preparations at the Dhakeshwari temple. Tell us a little bit more about Prime Minister's visit to Ramakrishna Mission after the Dhakeshwari temple. All preparations in place there as well?
Well, almost all set and done. The Ramakrishna Math would be a little more grandeur, I would say, because there will not only be women who will be showering flowers at him, but also a lot of prasad and some meditation time that will be allotted to him. I'm told that the interiors, the Garbhagriha, the sanctorium of the temple has been opened for him. He will be allowed to sit inside. Remember, he's been an ardent follower of Ramakrishna Math, and he has also visited Belur Math. He rather follows Swami Atmasthanandaji in Belur Math, and and he had visited him last month. Now this month when he's in Bangladesh, there are 14 centers of Ramakrishna Mission, but he will be visiting the one and the premier center in Dhaka. This will be around half an hour visit. He will be talking to the Maharaj there. He will be taking a round. He will be ensuring that what all is required there. I'm told there are around 300 students who have expressed a group photograph with the Prime Minister. On whether they are successful or not is what remains to be seen.
Manoj Agarwal, many thanks for getting us all those details from Dhaka. Now, the Prime Minister may have signed the historic land boundary agreement with Bangladesh, but back home in India, a political war has erupted over the credit for simplifying boundary issues with the neighbour. The Congress has hit out at the Prime Minister and accused the BJP of double standards on the land boundary agreement with Bangladesh. The party says that when UPA wanted to sign the same, the BJP opposed it, citing national interest.
जब हमारी सरकार थी, बांग्लादेश में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जाना चाहते थे और उनसे हमने बातचीत की, उनसे कहा कि आप चलिए हमारे साथ, बांग्लादेश चलिए। और आपको याद होगा ममता जी ने कहा नहीं, एकला चलो रे, अकेले जाओ। अब मोदी जी हैं तो एकला चलो रे नहीं, अब हम एक साथ जाएंगे।